Okay, today I am going to be replacing the batteries for the Badlands Apex 12,000 pound winch wireless remote. It is not working properly on wireless. It does not work on the in function, only the out function works perfectly fine plugged in. Saw online, maybe replace the batteries. I did call Harbor Freight. They wanted me to take the winch off the vehicle, disconnect the disconnect switch from the battery, put everything back in the box, and return it to the local store to get a new product. Not happening. That actually took me quite a while to get in, something so simple, but it was the tiniest space ever with the bumper that I have. So anyways, we are going to go the battery route. It takes two CR2032 batteries. Was not super obvious, all I saw originally was the 4 screws. This 4th one was hidden under the cover, so you've got to take the cover off. So go ahead and pop out the 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. We've got a very tiny Phillips head screwdriver to do that. Okay, so all of the screws are loose. Once you're doing it, you can see it starts separating, so we'll go ahead and pop that up. We can already see those 2 batteries right there. So we'll go ahead and, that's the magnet, don't lose that. We'll go ahead and pop those batteries out, replace them, give it a go, and see what happens. And there goes our magnet. Let me fish that out. Okay, I've got the magnet out. This entire area is actually loose, so when you're doing it, have it on the side that does not have the screws, lay it down so that you don't have issues, and then just flip it open slowly, and hopefully everything stays in place. Of course, I don't know if you can see batteries, just push those through and get the replacements in. Okay, as you can see, the battery at the bottom of the controller comes out, pushes out towards the right, and then the one above that pushes up towards the upper left. You'll know it's actually got that little tab on either side to keep those in. Of course, watch your orientation, pop your batteries back in. Okay, we've got our new batteries in place. We've got the old ones out of the way, magnet to put back where it is supposed to be, and then of course just reverse your steps, close it up, make sure everything is lined up where it is supposed to be, tighten screws, put your little protective cover back on, and hopefully she's good to go.